So right there is the water line they're working on. You can see the water line. They're going to be putting a faucet, an outdoor spigot right over here. They got this dug up. Got that dug up. They have the red roof now. It's done, except for underneath it. They still have to put. They're gonna enclose all of this right here. They'll enclose all of that. We got the exterior paint is on now, so it's got that off yellow color. Sorry about the noise. We've got some work going on up the top of the hill. This is a downstairs CR. They did the same thing upstairs. They put the light in, but then they have it all sealed off. Now the model home they had didn't have this sealed. You can actually see daylight through the top. Well, thankfully this is all closed off really well, but it's done very, very well. I'm glad they enclosed that. Okay, looks like they got the roof here above the front door is on now, so that's good. And they still haven't done the finishing on the ceiling yet, which they're working on. We're going to have a door in the opening here. From here on the edge here, from the door going over here to this wall here, to separate that off from the outside and the kids. This is the master bedroom, and they're pretty much done. They got everything. The ceiling's all complete. They got the lights are in now. The lights are in. Recessed lighting through the whole house. They said he said that he would try to have it done within 2 weeks. He'll have it completely finished.
But the day turnover.
Maybe sooner.
Yeah.
They haven't got the ceiling out here done yet. It's still open.
Hello, there's snake there. There's snake.
Okay.
Down na down. Hold the young daddy ha.
Yeah.
Wait ni mama.
Wait
ni daddy na.
He likes to show how big he is. You let daddy go first, okay? Okay, daddy will go first. That way you won't fall down. Yeah. Use the handles. Okay, you am. That's good job.
Scary.
You did it.
Yay!
Okay.
Yeah, scary. Scary.
Okay. They still haven't gotten the steel across there, which is like real thick rebar going across there in a chicken wire shape. They haven't got the ceiling on yet. So what we did was back here, we decided to have this whole thing back here tiled. We're going to tile this with tile that we're using outside. Ow. That's the excavators breaking up the careful. They did get the the granite on. They're still sealing it, and they got the double sink in. We like the double sink. They're not finished up here on the cabinets yet. They still have these nailed down. The ceiling.
Oh yeah.
This is new.
Nice, they did put ceiling on it.
Yeah, they sealed it all up.
Totally sealed, unlike the model house before.
Yeah, because you see out, remember? You see outside. So now you can't. This is sealed completely. We got the light in up here. See, that was new. So we're going to start over here in the corner.